Hi, I'm Kelly, the Digital Communications Specialist for the NSCDA, and today we are going to be making Petticoat Tails. I have absolutely no idea what that is, but I asked Mary to give me an easy recipe because I am absolutely not a baker, and this one only has 3 ingredients, so hopefully that means it's easy. We're going to go to our Williamsburg Art of Cookery book and give it a try. Okay, so that didn't quite go how I thought it was going to. The butter didn't quite form into a dough the way I thought it would, if that makes sense. The flour and powdered sugar mix and the butter didn't kind of come together the way that I hoped or imagined, I guess. Didn't really hope for it, but it was kind of crumbly and didn't really hold together, so I kind of had to like mash it together. Hopefully when these set overnight, they'll sort of form up a little better so that I can actually cut them into cookies, maybe. This might not work. These are horrible. So this didn't go to plan. The dough did not come together at all. So we might just have cookie chunks today. We're gonna give it a try though. This dough is a bit of a disaster. Yikes. Tastes okay though. These are really ugly cookies. Woof. I'm gonna try one and see how they look. Bake on the bottom looks pretty good. Oh God. Very crumbly. Okay. They're very dry and chalky and very bland. They don't actually taste as bad as they look, but that's not saying a whole lot. I would not make them again. confessional. These are not great. I think that the dough needed a lot more moisture for it to actually come together and form like a cohesive dough. I did a half batch and it yielded way too many cookies to begin with, so I can't even imagine what the full recipe would produce. I think they might be okay if you know, dipped them in tea or something, or maybe like crumbled over some ice cream. Other than that, they're kind of gross. I think this one's a fail, guys.